Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Andrew and I'm currently doing stat at Math at University of Toronto. Today we'll be going over some commonly asked math questions at both the high school and college levels. If you need some homework help or tutoring, please check out the links in the description below. Okay, so now let's start our session for today. Alright. So, our first question is asking us to write a polynomial in standard form. So write the polynomial in standard form, and we need to identify the degree of the polynomial, and we also need to identify the leading coefficient, and then we need to classify it according to its degree and number of terms. Okay, so first let's recall what standard form is. Standard form. Okay, so standard form of a polynomial is writing in descending order from left to right. Okay, so writing in descending order from left to right, the degree of each term according to the degree of each term. Okay, so the standard form of 3x squared minus 8x minus 5x cubed plus 6. If we want to convert this into its standard form, then it should be standard form. Okay, then it should be negative 5x cubed, since this term had the highest degree, and then plus 3x squared, since 3x squared had the second highest degree, and minus 8x, and then plus 6. Okay, yeah, so that's what a standard form should looks like. Okay, and when you look at the coefficient, the exponent, you can see here we have x cubed, and here we have x squared, here we have x, and for the constant, the exponent will just be 0. Okay, so next we need to find the degree of the polynomial. Okay, so let's copy this part down. Okay, so degree of the polynomial. Polynomial. Okay, so in this case, the degree of polynomial should be 3. Okay, since the highest exponent found in the first term of the polynomial in standard form is 3. Okay, and let's write the reason here. Reason. Since the highest exponent found in the first term of the polynomial in standard form is 3. Okay. And this 3 is from the negative 5x cubed, so the exponent. Okay. And after identifying the degree of polynomial, next we need to do the leading coefficient. Okay. So in terms of leading coefficient, the leading coefficient should be negative 5 in our case, and the reason is that negative 5 is the coefficient attached to the variable that has the highest degree. Okay. So in our case, the variable had the highest degree would be negative x cubed, and in this case, negative 5 will be the leading coefficient, since it is a coefficient attached to the variable that has a highest degree. Okay. And lastly, we will write the polynomial. Polynomial is a cube polynomial. Okay. And the reason why is that since it has it's of degree 3 and has 4 terms. Okay. Yep. So that's what we have for this question. And let's just review this again. So first, we identify standard form. So in other words, we need to write in descending order from left to the right according to the degree of each term. Okay. And then in terms of the degree of polynomial, in this case it will be 3, since the highest exponent found in the first term of the polynomial in standard form is 3. Okay. So the keyword will be the highest exponent. Okay. And for the leading coefficient, it is just a coefficient attached to the variable that has the highest degree. Okay. And lastly, the polynomial is a cube polynomial. Okay. Let's leave a comment. Solution is correct. Well done.